In this video, we will learn to download a file from a web server and execute that file. So first I'm going to create a simple bash script that I will host on our local web server. Then after I'm going to create a Python script to download that file and execute on our system. So let's create our bash script first. I will name it hello.sh, and in this bash script, after bin bash, I'm just going to use echo to print out hello world, and I'm going to save it and then close. Now I'm going to run a simple HTTP server that comes with the Python. So I'm going to type Python and then dash m, then simple HTTP server from a same directory where my hello.sh script is, and then we can pass in the port number. I will use port 8000. I will change the port to some other because I have something running on that port, so some other software, so I'm going to change it to 8080. Now our server is started. I can access this from my browser, and I need to type localhost colon 8080 where my simple HTTP web server is running. It will list the content of current directory, and here I can see that file over here, hello.sh. I will copy the link to this file or this script so you can see clearly the complete path to this script. So over here, I will need this URL to download this file from Python script. I will name it downloader.py. First I will import URL open from URL lib dot request. I will import URL open. With this we can open the URL of that file. So after reading the data, writing to our local file, I will close the file, and then over here I will check for the path if this script path exists by using OS module, and if that script exists, I'm going to change its permission by calling OS system module and using command chmod and changing its permission to 700 so we can execute this script. And after that, I'm going to execute this script by calling system and then pass in the path to our script, hello.sh. I will go through this code again. First, we are going to import URL open from your URL lib request, and also import OS module, and then we set the URL of that web server file that we want to download. Over here we set that URL, then I open that URL and get got the response back. And I also needed a local file where I'm going to write the data of this file. So over here I open a file, local file, and its path is under temp directory, and the script name is also hello.sh. It is open in a writing mode. After that, I call a file method write to write the data to a local file by passing in response function read, which will read this data of a web server file, and then we write that data to local file, this one hello.sh, under temp directory. So we have our file, and then I close that file, and after it I'm checking over here if the local path of that script exists. So we are able to download that script, and if we have that script, then I change its permission by calling OS method system and passing in command chmod and give 700 permission to execute the script. And after that, over here I call system function of OS module and passing the script name. Let's see if it works. I just need to remove these indentations I added. They are not needed. Also the colon on here missing. Just save it. Now to run this script I need to type python 3. This will run under python 3, and then our script name downloader dot py, and just hit enter. You can see it printed the hello world. So it went over here to this URL and downloaded the script and then executed that script. This way you can download a file from a web server and execute on your local system in Python. If you are using Python 2, you need to make few changes. Instead of this one, this line over here, you need to use import URL lib2, and over here in URL open you can add URL lib2 dot then this function. So hope you like this script and enjoyed. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.